Let's multiply 2/3 by 1/2. So we're multiplying a fraction by a fraction. You could divide 2 by 3 and then multiply that by 1 divided by 2, and you'd end up with 0.3, and the 3 would keep repeating. So you could just write it like that to show it's repeating. So on your calculator, you get 0.33333. But let's do it so we end up with a fraction. When we multiply fractions, we multiply the numerators and then the denominators. So it's just 2 times 1, that gives us 2, and 3 times 2, that gives us 6. So 2/3 times 1/2, that equals 2/6. But we can simplify this. These are both even numbers. So 2 divided by 2, that's 1, and then 6 divided by 2, that's 3. So we end up with 1/3. So 2/3 times 1/2 is 2/6, or simplified 1/3. And if you divide 1 by 3 on a calculator, you'll get 0.333, with the 3 just keeps repeating like we did before. This is Dr. B multiplying 2/3 times 1/2. The answer, 1/3. Thanks for watching.